everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a red eyeshadow look because I'm so in the Christmas mood. I already started Christmas shopping. I'm like halfway done with my list. So yeah, let's get to it. And so this is kind of going to be like a little chit chat one, but if for any reason my family comes in, it will go to like a little voiceover until I already told them not to come in, but you know what? I don't know. It's up to them when they'll come in. For today's eye look, I really wanted to get a use out of the 35M Morphe palette in case you guys are thinking of gifting this to anybody. I really like the colors in here. They're super pretty. So we're going to go. If you guys saw from my previous video, I just used this palette right here. And I might use the what the heck? The red deep shade that's in here. So yeah, I'm very excited. So first we're going to go ahead and take the lightest red I can find in this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this corally shade right here. Because I think out of all the reds, that's probably the lightest one we have. So once again, if you're from the other video, you saw that I packed on all the colors and then I blended because I think this technique is really cool. And I actually liked how it turned out. So I'm just going to apply the shade right. I saw a lot of these in pictorials, so I thought it was really cool. I really liked the technique. It's like super easy, and because the shades are so pigmented, it's like easy to do. I really like it. So yeah, I'm so excited about Christmas this year because last year I actually did not have a job, so I couldn't afford gifts. But now I'm working. I'm working it. Just kidding. No, I am. I don't know why I said just kidding. Okay, so this red right here. How is your guys' Christmas shopping? Mine is actually really good. It's going really good. I made a list of like people and then I'm like adding and then taking away. No, not taking away, like removing people, but I'm like everything, once a person is done, check them off and they are off the list. Which means I'm done. But yeah, because it's a little bit denser than that other brush. This is by Morphe. Sorry, I'm like really sideways. This is actually my cousin's makeup brush. She just left it here and I adopted this brush. So yeah. It's actually a really good brush. I thought it was a little bit too big for my eyelids, but it's actually pretty good. Yeah, on my Christmas list, oh, I actually was looking for my brother these shoes, but I actually already got them. All I need is my nephews, and yeah, I think I already, oh, and my 2 BFFs. I was like, wait, I think I already finished, but no, not done yet. Still got a long way to go. We might go today because my mom's gonna buy something at the mall. But yeah. I've never done actually Black Friday shopping. I get pretty scared because there's a lot of people and I have really bad, like, I can't be in hot places, like I'll lose my mind if it's super hot in there. Like yesterday I wore just a sweater, but it was raining so hard yesterday, and today is like really beautiful. There's no rain clouds out, the sky is pretty blue. Oh my gosh, my hand is hurting from blending. Ugh. I think I might have to go in with a deeper red because this one's not too red as I wanted it to. But yeah, I'm very excited for Christmas. I'm not really sure what we're doing this year. Usually we go to my sister's house, but we might switch it up this year a little bit. I'm not 100% sure. I think my mom's coming. Like I said, false alarm, they were not coming in here. But I think I'm going to take a little bit of a deeper red and deepen it up right here. It's a little bit hard shopping for my mom because I'm not sure what she wants. She said anything, but I know she wants some certain things. It's okay to be a little bit messy because I mean you're just going to clean it up anyways. So there's no need to. I actually wanted to do a halo eye, but I'm actually kind of scared. Should I just do it? Should I do it? I'm gonna do a halo eye. Let's see. Let's see how this turned out. Which I'm not sure because I haven't tried it. Like, you know the little halo eyes, and then they do like the little, I don't know, like a stoplight, I guess. You know what I mean. Because usually there's days where I'll do my makeup in my room and I'll practice, but I haven't practiced one of these. They make me a little bit nervous. I don't know, maybe I can mix a little bit of black in there just to deepen it up a little bit because I don't know, I'm pretty scared. I'm pretty nervous about this. But I do like how all these shades are. Okay, so forming it was a little bit harder than I thought, but I think we actually got it going on. So I'm just going to shape it a little bit better using that same brush with the deep red. A little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is this one. Can you guys hear my mom singing? I like that shimmer shade, it's so pretty. I'm kind of stretching it out a little bit so it can blend and not look like a little stick right there. Oopsies. Ooh, I like it. James Charles palette, but I'm trying not to think about buying for myself right now because like I still have a lot of Christmas presents to go to do. Hopefully today I might finish. We might go out to the mall today. Maybe I can finish. I did a lot of online shopping because I felt like it was going to be more convenient because I couldn't find half the stuff that I needed in store. So shade right here. It's not too golden, it's actually like kind of pinkish. And so I'm just going to kind of fill up the gap that was left. you kind of just blend them together. You can probably hear my mom singing. Okay, so now for the little stoplight, we're going to take this shade right here, which is called Devoted, I believe. And this is in the shade 35V palette. It's super brightening, very, very pigmented. So make sure you tap. Oh. The shade is so pigmented, like, look at that. You see that? Do you see that? Do you see what I mean? That shade is honestly like the best shade ever. You need it, and you're like, here. I'm going to scoop up that. I went to watch The Grinch, and that just reminded me of The Grinch. If you have not seen the movie Grinch, the newer one, the animation one, then you should definitely check it out. It's really good. And if you have like kids and you don't want to take them because you think they're going to be loud or something, it's a kid movie. Don't feel discouraged. Like, literally, yesterday there was a bunch of kids there, and it was like, they were making noise, but like, it doesn't matter. It's a kid movie. You should be used to loud. Because like, when my nephews are watching movies, they're all pretty loud. But like, whatever, it doesn't matter, you know? You're watching a kid movie, that's what should be expected. Honestly, Christmas is my favorite holiday. Okay, now for our tear duct, we're going to use this shade right here, which is so beautiful. Wait, hold on, I have to look at it. Right here, which is this very nice green shade. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Oh my gosh, I just dropped that. Oops. I hope it didn't break, because last time I dropped the palette, it broke. So we're just going to put that in our inner tear duct. Kind of carry it. Wow, we look very festive. Okay, my camera's almost dying. So yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you guys want to give me any ideas of a next video that I should make, then you should go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you next time.